DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as the trend. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. On Twitter, follow us at DJM TV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News. So over the weekend, the people of America decided that their 46th president would be Mr. Joe Biden. In the just concluded elections between sitting President Donald Trump and Mr. Joe Biden, America came out en masse as over 70 million people voted for Mr. Joe Biden and his vice president, Mrs. Kamala Harris. In her speech, Mrs. Kamala Harris had this to say.
And the road ahead will not be easy, but America is ready. And so are Joe and I.
Hello everyone, welcome to DJM TV. Please, if this is your first time of seeing our videos, do not forget to subscribe, hit on the notification bell so you keep getting videos from us as we drop them. Also follow us on Twitter at DJM TV, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. Follow us on Instagram at DJM TV. If you subscribe to the channel already, thank you very much. Please don't forget to invite your friends by sharing this video with them so they can also be part of this wonderful family. Now, Americans
Folks,
have decided
the people of this nation have spoken.
Would be.
They've delivered us a clear victory, a convincing victory, a victory for we the people. We've won with the most votes ever cast on a presidential ticket in the history of the nation. 74 million. What I must admit has surprised me. Tonight, we're seeing all over this nation, all cities and all parts of the country, indeed across the world, an outpouring of joy, of hope, renewed faith in tomorrow, bring a better day. And I'm humbled by the trust and confidence you placed in me.
In the just concluded elections, Mr. Joe Biden won with over 70 million votes as major Republican states were seen to have voted massively for Mr. Joe Biden.
I pledge to be a president who seeks not to divide, but unify. Who doesn't see red states and blue states, only sees the United States. For all those of you who voted for President Trump.
He also called on those who supported the sitting president to come out and support his government as he is ready to see them as friends.
I understand the disappointment tonight. I've lost a couple times myself, but now let's give each other a chance. It's time to put away the harsh rhetoric, lower the temperature, see each other again, listen to each other again. And to make progress, we have to stop treating our opponents as our enemies. They are not our enemies. They are Americans. Now this campaign is over. What is the will of the people?
The U.S. President-elect and his Vice President-elect, Mrs. Kamala Harris, have appreciated America for a job well done. Meanwhile, the former President of Nigeria, Goodluck Jonathan, has congratulated the newly President-elect of the United States of America for their victory on the November 3rd election of the United States of America. In his tweet, he said the best predictor of future behavior is past behavior based on his tenure as Vice President of the United States of America. He said that he is fully convinced that Mr. Biden will provide national and global leadership for everyone. Meanwhile, Mrs. Kamala Harris stands as the first elected female Vice President of the United States of America.
We are so grateful to Joe and Jill for welcoming our family into theirs on this incredible journey. And to the woman most responsible for my presence here today, my mother, Shamala Gopalan Harris, who is always in our hearts. When she came here from India at the age of 19, she maybe didn't quite imagine this moment, but she believed so deeply in an America where a moment like this is possible. And so I am thinking about her and about the generations of women, Black women, Asian, white, Latina, Native American women, who throughout our nation's history have paved the way for this moment tonight.
She also appreciated the women of America who has made it possible for her to become the first female vice president-elect in the United States of America. That's all we have for you tonight. Thank you for watching. To join us again, same time.
God love you all. May God bless America, and may God protect our troops. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People are people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJ